Tan'eem from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamualaikum.
So my question is, in the hadith about the man from the people of paradise who had no hatred or envy towards Muslims before sleeping, how can I practically implement this in my daily life?
The hadith, in my opinion, is not authentic. Where Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, after hearing this statement from the Prophet ﷺ about a man who came from a door 3 times with his sandals hanging on his shoulders, with his beard dripping from wudu water. So the man said, Abdullah said, I will bring you why he's like so. And he went and lied to the man and said, I had a dispute and fight with my father, so if you would take me in for 3 days to spend these 3 days in your home until I fix what's between me and my father, and he agreed. This is a lie, and Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As would not lie in such situations, and hence this side of the story is not true. The hadith itself can be true because having a clear chest, holding no grudges, no animosity, no hatred towards the Muslims, letting go of people doing bad to you instead of turning on your bed, thinking how to get even and to harm them as they've harmed you. There's no doubt that this is one of the characteristics of the people of heaven and paradise.